Welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have 2 canvases and 2 tools from Paintsomeway and wanted to share these with you. So let's look at these little tools first, which really it's not a tool. I mean it is, but it isn't. And these are multi-placers. These are metal multi-placers. And I have, if I can get it out of the little bag, this is a 10 placer, which I really like. It doesn't want to focus. There it goes. And the barrel is not too wide, so I do like that. I like the thinner ones, so this is really good. And these are very inexpensive, so I like that even better. And then we have another metal placer, and this is a 4 placer. Again, the barrel is very thin, and I like that. I enjoy multi-placing, so I wanted to try these. Then I have 2 canvases, so let's just pick one. I'm going to roll this one back. I thought this one was really cute and appropriate for fall. I'm really getting into fall this year, more than I have ever been, or in a very long time anyway. This one is a little scarecrow. Bring it up just a little bit. I love the colors. There's 19 colors to this. It is a 30 by 30. The background is a lot of black, so I'll be using that 10 placer and placing all of the drills on the background. Here is the little thumbnail. I thought he was just adorable. And with it being so small, it is perfect. The table does have, which I really appreciate, the DMC codes here. It also has on our symbols, they are all letters. Don't really see anything that jumps out that would give me a problem yet. This does look really clear. The sticky is really good. The cover is a little on the thin side. I'll just have to be careful when I cut through that, but it won't be a problem because more than likely I'll just do this in 1 or 2 sittings, so I may not even section it off. I'll probably just raise this up halfway, complete that, and then the next sitting I will do the other half. It does have a table also on the right side. Tells us how to diamond paint at the bottom. Does come with a boat, a plate of wax, and then a pin. No scrunchie on these. Here's the bag of drills. I don't want to open them because I don't want to get them messed up. And this is a round, so it won't take very long. With the bags, it does tell us, let me open it just to see, just to make sure I'm telling you correctly. Sorry for the crinkling. And both of these canvases did come in a cover, protective cover, and I just took those off. This does show the DMC number on here. They are in DMC order. They do come in these little bags, which I am not fond of. I'm trying to see, 3760. The only thing I don't like is, for instance, I'll pull this one out. This is 3810. So rather than coming in a larger bag, so it would be less waste, less plastic, it comes in 3 really small wrappers here. I don't like those. It's not a game changer for me. I just wish that manufacturers would think about the environment a little bit more and less waste on the plastic. But we do recycle, but still, even recycling, that's quite a bit. But I thought he was so cute. I'm more than likely going to add this one to my stash rather than giving away. This one I thought was different. And different in a good way, but different. Okay, this one is, this is flowers. It is the stained glass look, which I love the stained glass look, but just looking at this, this is so dark on this particular canvas that I am probably going to need a light pad. The colors though are bright, like that L that's around those flowers, that will be really easy to see, so that's not a problem. This is another 30 by 30. There's the thumbnail. Has sunflowers. I love sunflowers, so that's one of the reasons why I also got this. 21 colors. Does have the DMC number. Again, I really do appreciate that. I don't see anything that's going to give me a problem with the symbols, but the symbols on this table are super duper dark. So I may, what I can probably do is when I go to work on this one, I go to kit this up, I will go ahead and scan this in. I'll try to make it a little bit lighter if I can, so I can read it a little bit better. Comes with the plate of wax is on the bottom here. We have a boat, we have the pen, so everything that you need to diamond paint. The colors here are a lot darker than I was expecting. This is a square. Another reason why I got this, because you don't see very many squares on the discount companies. This one on the bag, instead of it coming by DMC, it is in by the number order, and this one is in the resealable baggies. So not sure why some of theirs are in resealable baggies, some are in the larger bags, and then some are in the really small bags like I just showed you. But I thought both of these are super cute, and there it is a little bit larger, but I thought that this was going to be really pretty. I do like the fact that it is a square. So I have one square, one round. And so this is the two. But I just love that one. I thought that would be really cute. And then there's my two placers. That's all for me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will put the links underneath the description along with the current price. And so go and take a look and see if you see anything that you might like. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.